see the boldness, you see the confidence, you see the charisma from walking to the stage. There is one self-confidence you have when you compete amongst not mediocres. You don't compete amongst mediocres. You compete amongst very talented people. It's like competing amongst lions, and you become the king of lions. You become the winner of lions. I mean, that's like a great achievement. And I know how he feels right now. He's feeling victorious. He's feeling like for him to back this award, it means a lot of goodies is coming his way. So, with not much I keep talking, I want to hear from Jimbel. Jimbel is here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Jimbel, say something. Tell us about yourself. Introduce yourself.
First of all, my name is Madabuchiko Valentine, aka Jimbel 001.
Please let's encourage him.
Yeah, I'm from Anambra State, and your Chaluku government. Yes.
All right. So where are you located?
I stay at Ojo local government.
Here in Lagos.
Yes, here in Lagos.
Beautiful.
Yes.
All right.
At that Abnoshu side, probably I'm staying around that Badagry Space.
All right. All right. And listen, for some of you that don't know, if you celebrate whoever that has gone ahead of you, whether the person is older than you or you're older than the person, whether the person is richer than you or you're richer than the person, automatically you directly or indirectly attract that same energy. If you don't celebrate who has gone ahead of you, you cannot attract that energy. My pastor said something some years ago in the pulpit. He said, you cannot attract what you don't celebrate. You attract what you celebrate. So when the winner is talking, try as much as possible to clap for him. You know what you're doing for yourself? If you feel so big that you can't celebrate the winner today, I'm not sure when you stand up there on that big stage that you're eyeing, there'll be people that will celebrate you. I'm not sure. If you celebrate whoever that has won today, you too will win, number one. Number two, when you stand on that big stage where you're going to get international recognition award, a lot of people will definitely celebrate you. It's the true nature. It's nature facts. So celebrate whoever. Feel free. I was very happy when I saw Olive Fresh congratulate him when he won. He went online, congratulated him. And he too went online, congratulated all of the other people that were there. I was just watching the comments. I didn't even want to comment. I didn't want to answer. I was just watching what's going on, watching the energy. And I saw that these people, especially the first three in the Afro music, have very positive energy. They are very successful people in the making. Nobody is having grudges against anybody. I mean, everybody is happy. Everybody is great. So ladies and gentlemen, let us all stay in one accord, in one mind, and celebrate the winner. Please, can we clap for him again? All right. So tell me, Mr. Jimbel, how do you feel right now for being the winner of this? Imagine the faces that are here. All of these people. If I tell them now, stand up here and sing, we will not go here today. Very fabulously talented people. And you became the winner, not because you're the best singer. So how do you feel right now? How do you feel?
First of all, the competition was not easy in the beginning because I competed in the first season, and in fact the first season was, I don't know if there will be any other competition that will be that first season. It was very hot. It was massive because there was AK Crown and there was the winner there. In fact, I shout out to the winner because I looked forward to him. I look up to him because if not for the eye that I had on him, I would not become the winner. Yes, I shout out to Big Lewis. In fact, I really appreciate him because he opened the doors for the winners to come. Yes, let's
start for the winner of the first edition. So Lewis, wherever you are now, you're being acknowledged That was the winner. That's the winner of the first edition of Afro Music Talent Show. He's officially working with us right now, and his EP was already released some few days ago, and he's already streaming on all platforms. If you've not seen it, please find a way to contact us or check it out on all platforms, and we are going to let you see. And more to come. He's working on his second edition, his second EP right now as we speak, and we are flying. It's a fast lane. It's no darling. All right. So to everybody that is sitting down here, once I'm done with him, I'm going to read through all of what you're going back home with. All right. I'm going to tell you what you have ended up to achieve for yourself. What we are going to do for you via Elegant Empire Music. So via also Elegant Empire Films for the film actors. So just sit tight. Immediately after that, we're going to go into that session of reading through everybody. For you guys to know that this is not a joke, that this is real work, and we've started. All right. So Jimbel is here. Jimbel, tell us, now you've become the winner. Your dreams, just like you have said on your status the day you won, that your dreams has finally come true for you to become the winner of the Afro Music Talent Show. What's your expectation in 5 years to come?
Before I talk about my expectation in 5 years to come, first of all, you see, becoming a winner is not just aiming big. Becoming a winner is one of the biggest dreams that someone has to pray to achieve, because to go to an award and your name is written there as a winner is a very big thing. Because when I ran the first edition, I came out as the second one. So in this second edition, I was like, if I don't win this one, I will not stop until I win. I will not stop. Because that first edition, I really did my best. But at the same time, I let the remaining one to go. So I would not say that it was not successful. Yes, it was successful that I did not come out as a winner, but I came out as the first three. And being that, in fact, this very day, I have set a new record for myself and for the Elegant Empire, becoming the first artist under the Elegant Empire to contest twice and be taking my second award as a winner.
I didn't even remember. He has gotten 2 awards, and he's the first artist in Elegant Empire that has 2 awards. He got the first award in the first edition already. He was the second runner-up, just like our big brother here. And in the second edition, he's the winner. So that's like 2 awards. He got the first award in the first one, and the second one is getting the highest award. Ladies and gentlemen, can we clap for that?
So, becoming the winner, in fact, I shocked them. I told them that this is just the beginning. This is my time. Yes, my time is no longer coming. My time is now.
Yeah.
I shocked everyone. I shocked the see, I always come up with a different strategy. When I ran the first one, the strategy I used was not clear. I was like, okay, this second edition, I'll watch the game and see who is going to lead. So when the second edition, in fact, the second edition, the way it started, it was not as fast as the way the first one really pushed. Yeah. So because the first one, before 5 days, I was already seeing 300 and something votes. So the first one was it was very hot. But the second one, there's something I told Olifrosh when we first tried today. I told him that he was asking me how did the winner get up to 700. I told him that every competition cannot be the same. The way the first one was, it cannot be like the second one. So the first one ran very hot, but the second one, at the dying minutes,
became hot.
So it was a strategic game. So I myself, when I was running it, I was like, I wanted to follow up like the way, but I relaxed back. I said no, the patient dog eats the fattest one. So what I have to do is just watch the game, see who's leading, see who's playing. So becoming the and right now I'm feeling like a winner because I'm sitting at the high top. Yes, I'm on my throne already. Yes, and my lights are just started shining. Yes, so I'm very happy.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Jimbel. All right. So lastly, what is your word of encouragement to viewers all over the world watching you right now? What can you say to them?
Okay, my words to my viewers, my fans, and also to every other contestant that are here is, number one, you have to be very, very consistent. Yes, that is number one key, because if I was not consistent in doing, I would not have won. Next time, if you're not a winner today, does not mean that it's over. Just like this Edwin said, and the next one, she wants to win. That was the passion I had in the first one. So in the second one, I was aiming to become the winner. And in fact, I did not even believe myself, because at the dying minute, in fact, I can never forget that day. At the dying minute, I was like, boom, and it jumped like a bomb. So it was massive, very, very massive. So I want my fans and my viewers to know that we are just starting. Elegant Empire has not gotten to the limits where they are aiming for, but this is just the beginning.
Yeah.
Yes. The way the first one was and the way the second one is now is not the same thing.
Yeah.
Yes. So we're aiming higher. And I believe that very soon that Elegant Empire will climb to the top. And thirdly, I pray and I believe that one day I will be the face of Elegant Empire.
Yeah.
That's my biggest goal.
Yeah.
Whenever they see Elegant Empire,
They will see
my face.
Jubel. All right.
Yes, so I'm very
All right.
happy.
Thank you very much. Your journey with the Elegant Empire just started. All right? Thank you very much. Thank you for coming around.